Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another tutorial video about Fantasy Premier League. In this video, what I will be showing you guys is how you can change your team name in Fantasy Premier League. As you can see guys, even though I'm on my phone, I am in the browser on the website. That's because you cannot change your team name in the application. I have searched for it and I have tried, however, there is no way to do it. So you need to use your browser. I am using Opera GX. I recommend this browser, however, you can use any browser you want. It really doesn't matter for this, guys. Now, when we want to actually change our team name, what we need to do is navigate to the Pick Team tab in the top of the screen. Just click on that and you will enter this screen. This is the overview of your team. You have bench boost, triple captain free hit. You have everything here. You have the fixtures. However, what we want to do is navigate to the bottom of the screen, below the game week history and below everything, and you will come to the admin actual segment. When you are here, the one you want to pay attention to is the team details and go to them. Once you're in team details, here you will see your team name and you can be able to change that. My tutorial name now is tutorial team 6, tutorial team 86, and let's say I want to change it and delete the numbers. Let me just delete it real quick, then scroll down. Once you change your name to the name you want to have, just click update details, and that is pretty much it. As you can see, my team is now called tutorial team, and that's pretty much what you want to do. There is nothing more about this. As I said, this is quick and easy. So let me know if you enjoyed. I hope you learned something new, and I will see you guys in the next video.